In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal to the Cash App. If you guys want to get started with SafePal, you can use the links down in the description. First, open your SafePal app, navigate to SafePal Earn, and click Deposited to open your deposited asset list. Now, choose the LP token from the list that you like to withdraw, then click Withdrawal. Check your deposited and earned LP token details, and click Withdrawal Special Notes. If you withdraw assets within the lockup period, there will be an additional 0.1% unstaking fee. The 3-day countdown will be started from the last deposit you make to the pool. If you make another deposit into the pool, the 3-day countdown will renew and start again. The lockup period and unstaking fee apply to the staked LP tokens and SFP in a pool separately. Then choose the network fee standard and click Confirm. An additional blockchain network fee will be charged by signing the operations. As a PancakeSwap and AppySwap are smart contract built on BSC Binance Smart Chain, make sure that you have sufficient BNB or BEP20 as a native network fee for the signing approval. After that, enter the security password, click Confirm, and wait for the withdrawal to complete. When the withdrawal is completed, you'll see the message, the withdrawal is successful. Then you can view the assets on your app main page. So that's how to withdraw money from SafePal to the Cash App. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with SafePal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.